Hello, my name's Lucy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Dynamic SE 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Arroios Grey. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights along with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 10-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing the Arroios Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the grained ebony leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat in this vehicle is electronically adjustable, as well as this, it is also a memory seat, so once you find a comfortable position, you are able to save it. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music, along with your 4x4 information, different terrain driving modes, and of course your wade sensing, making this vehicle suited for most off-road terrain, ideal for those adventures you may have. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. Along with this, you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Dynamic SE 4-wheel drive that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.